We're camping!
Roy's leveling the camper. Here's the camper. There's Mom.
There's me!
Here's the shot. Here's me. Hi, me. There's Tyler. There's the giant lawn dart. Big ass gun! It's literally all connected with the patickety rails too. We got a freaking bazooka, a freaking pie clip on a sniper rifle.
We are so awesome.
A stupid scope that's useless in the context, and then another gun on the side.
We're gonna try to fire this, I think. We're camping!
Yes.
So, our parents are just taking this whole camper because we got Fort Farts, our personal little tent thing, which we do as we wish. And it's our fort of farts. And it is cool because we're going camping!
Sometimes God just needs a place to play golf. Camping. It's a cube of water.
It's the sack!
I thought you guys would all love to see my badly awesome bike. So, here it is. This is my manly bike. Sexiest bike you will ever see. Oh yeah. Look at that bad boy. It's sexy. That was good.
Yeah!
I'm camping. Get it? Camping. These morons decided to play kickball at 10 o'clock at night, not during the day.
Look at them. Bask in their stupidness. We hate them right now. They're ruining our stuff. It is. I'm General Grievous! We woke up, and it's really cold.
It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. We both woke up, and it's like 6. We're on vacation, and we woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. What the f*** is this?
That's just bright as like 8 o'clock in the morning. And I don't like it. And it's cold.
It is really cold.
I think I'm going to die.
I'm upside down. I know that.
Inside, outside, upside down.
We're having hash browns!
And corn and barbecue chicken, and it's gonna be awesome! Who wants to be in charge of barbecuing the chicken? Not me.
I don't know how to barbecue the chicken.
Right now, we're going to get ice cream because I want some ice cream.
We're walking because I want to walk. Like everybody's, yeah, we want to get ice cream. But like we went swimming, and like
Everybody
12
left.
people left in the course of like half an hour.
Yeah. So I wish all these people would have left earlier, but they're gone now. So I guess that's all good. But yeah, we're getting ice cream and we're camping.
Here at the ice cream shop.
Well, it's not really an ice cream shop. It's just a shop, and they happen to sell ice cream.
Yeah, now we're going in. We're getting ice cream.
Yeah. I just need to decide what to get.
I don't know if you can see it in there or not, but there's a lot of ice cream.
Klondike pretzel.
Klondike bars, ice cream, popsicles. I already know what I'm getting. I'm getting one of those bad boys. Cookie. Oh, now I don't know what I'm gonna get. I didn't see the cookies.
I think I'm getting candy. Well, maybe I don't know whether I should get a nutty cone or a... Oh, should I get
Today in the PM, just like every weekend, I was ready to...
I ended up with a Snickers bar, and it's good.
I got cotton candy ice cream, and I've never had it, and it's pretty delish.
My lip rings. They died in the lake.
Trying.
It's the championships.
What's your last piece?
Are you done?
No, because I
Then
don't.
play.
I need to know your last piece.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Finish.
Can't. I don't know whether to play here or here.
I'm the winner because I have the most blocks left over.
Here.
We're not camping anymore. There's the tent, Tyler's crap, my crap. There's Roy. I can't see out of my hair. Roy and Tyler's over there too. There's the table. There's the clothes. We're not camping anymore.
Come where the magic buffalo.
Nice shot, Jones. He needed that.
See. I love me some bug spray.